جزاک اللہ. کیا بھائی آپ کے لیے آپ کا نام لکھا ہوا ہے ہم تو ایسی پکی پکائی کھا رہے ہیں.
طریقہ کار کی رکھے
بیٹھنے تو تیرا باپ بیٹھا ہوا ہے. میں کہا گاڈ خود نہیں آ سکتا تھا, اس نے یہ ماں باپ بھیجے. تو میں کہا تیرے حالات.
جناب حاجی بھائی صاحب آپ کے لیے راول پنڈی کی مشہور حلوہ پوری تیار کر رہے ہیں. میں آپ کو پورا پروسیس دکھا رہا ہوں. یہ دیکھیں انہوں نے پوری تیار کی ہے. اور یہ بیٹا یہ کیمرہ نزدیک لا کے دکھائیں گے. واہ 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 واہ, بس بس تھینک یو.
لاہور دی جلیبی.
ہاں جی
لاہور دیاں جلیبیاں.
لاہور دی جلیبیاں کھا رہے ہیں.
دیکھو جی بابا جی یہ لاہور دی یاد تازہ ہو گئی. جس طرح یہ انج گھما رہے نے نا, تسی یقین کرو بھی یہ پتہ میں یہ گھمان تو دس سکنا بھی یہ لاہور دی جلیبی ہے.
واہ یہ جی بال کباب ہے. کھاؤ کھاؤ کھاؤ. اے دیکھو جی ہے میرے لیے جلیبی کھا رہے ہیں. واہ ماشاء اللہ. واہ جی واہ فیصل صاحب, واہ 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 ویری. اچھا جی بھائی یہ پوری کا کیا فائدہ ہوتا ہے جو حلوہ پوری آپ کھا رہے ہیں, پوری کے فائدے بتائیے.
پوری کا فائدہ ہے کہ سب سے پہلے پوری کھائیں, آدھی نہ لیں.
اچھا
ایک پوری لیں اور اس کو کھانے کے آپ کو جو مزہ آتا ہے نا, اور جو آپ کا جو کولیسٹرول بڑھتا ہے, اس کے بعد ایک نشے والی نیند آتی ہے مزیدار.
اور اس کے بعد چائے ضروری ہے.
چائے تو ضروری ہو تو بغیر
میزبان کو کہیں نہ چائے کا.
ابھی بولتے ہیں سر اس چائے کے بغیر وہ بھی دیسی کڑک چائے گزارا ہی نہیں سر.
Happy Canada Day, your Ladies and gentlemen, so please take your seat so we can start the program. Please take your seat. We have the honorable guest already here. So please take your seat so we can start the program.
دیکھو
Cold afternoon. Okay. We had a very, it was a heavy winter we all have last year. So people were saying the summer will also be the same way. And definitely today, I believe today is the first heated day of summer 2026. Well, because we all love Canada, it is our country. That is why this heat is not going to stop us. We are all here to celebrate the Canada Day. Thank you very much on behalf of Rizwan Pasha and family that you spared time and come here. I also have many dignitaries with us. Today is one of the most important and one of the most busiest day for these individuals because they have been to so many events. They have attended since morning. Now they are here and they are going to attend so many events afterwards. Still they are here because they, in addition to Canada, they also love you as well. That is why they are here. Thank you very much to Mayor Kevin Parrish and Minister Richie Valdez for sparing time and joining us. We'll start our program with the recitation of the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله.
First of all, I want to thank Honorable Richie Valdez and her worship, our mayor and our MPP Nina Tangi. Thank you very much for all. Simi, can you please come here? I want to thank on behalf of my family and just say one word, that we are a part of this beautiful country and the multicultural, so we should celebrate all the, even we do our Independence Day back home and here, so this is our country and we should celebrate. And come on, yes. So I would like to thank on behalf of our family and thank you very much for all of you to come here in this really, really hot weather. And I don't want to take too much time. And Gujjar Sahab, thank you very much. Gujjar Sahab इस तरह घूम रहे हैं तो मुझे डर लगा है. Thank you very much Gujjar Sahab. तो बाकी इंट्रोडक्शन जो है आरिफ शेख साहब कराएंगे. Once again, thank you for all of you.
Constitute the present day city of Mississauga as being part of the treaty and traditional treaty of Mississauga of the Credit First Nation. The Andonius Confederacy and the Horn-Vended and Wendat Nation, we recognize these people and their ancestors as people who inhabited these lands since the time immemorial. The city of Mississauga is home to many global indigenous people. May I request...
Please give a big round of applause for Pasha and his family. They have been preparing for this beautiful event for last many days. So they have got it, everything very professionally. Thank you so much, Mr. Pasha and the family. Thank you. Happy Canada Day. Did not hear anything, bro. Happy Canada Day. Happy Canada Day. Good job. Thank you so much, my dear friends, family, sisters and brothers, and a special thanks to Madam Mayor, our MPP, MP, and all my candidate colleagues and all respected elders of the community. I really appreciate that you all came together to celebrate Canada Day in this beautiful manner. This is what the beauty is, that we, every time, we come together, we make something really greater. Together, let's work to make Canada even stronger and greater. I want to take a promise from you guys that let's have our next generations integrate into this society, ourselves and next generations. We need to work hard on this point. Right now, I don't see a lot of families involving their children in volunteer work. Please, please.
Canada, Zindabad, right? Let's do it. Canada, friends, what a pleasure to join you all at this occasion when we are celebrating this beautiful country, the country which has given us so much.
Happy Canada Day. We are celebrating today the most precious day of this country. And once again, I want to hear back from you. Let's loud and clear. Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day.
May God bless our country, glorious and free. This is the country.
I'll take this off. I'm sorry, I don't mean to break all of your equipment here. First, I'd just like to begin with Rizwan Pasha, you and your family. Thank you for hosting all of us here today. It really is exciting. The weather's beautiful. It's a wonderful day for all of us to be out here together with community and with family. I consider myself as a part of Rizwan's family just because he's my neighbor, this is my constituency, and I just love each and every one of the members of his family. So thank you for hosting all of us today. Richie and I had the pleasure just now of attending a ceremony for new Canadians, and it was just exciting to be there to swear them in as new Canadians.
Welcome everyone. I'll just shift here because I feel like my back is to you. It's such an honor for me to come here again. This is an event that we all look forward to coming to each and every year. A big thank you to Rizwan Pasha and his entire family. They always welcome us into their home, whether it's Canada Day, whether it's to celebrate Pakistan's independence. And I really want to thank all of you for taking the time on Canada Day to celebrate with all of us. Thank you, Mayor Parrish, and of course, Associate Minister Nina Tangri. I'm happy to have all parties and stripes here. Why? We're
family for hosting everybody at this great event on Canada Day. I know he loves this country, and as a small business owner, he is someone who works really hard and has contributed to this country for many years. Sorry about that. I moved over. Canada is free, and freedom is its nationality. This was said by the 7th.
Happy Canada Day!
Conclude the program with our honor.
Happy Canada Day!
It's very interesting that we have all parties here, because one of the things I had trouble with when I was a Liberal MP under Mr. Kretchen was towing the party line. I was always fiercely independent. I even stomped on a bush doll and got into a lot of trouble. But I enjoy